Have you ever wondered how spaghetti is made, from simple wheat grains to the delicious pasta on your plate? Join us as we explore the fascinating process, revealing the blend of tradition and technology behind this beloved dish. The journey of making spaghetti begins with choosing the highest quality ingredients, primarily durum wheat. Durum wheat is selected for its hard texture and high protein content, which are essential qualities for making pasta that maintains its firmness and structure during cooking. The sourcing process involves selecting wheat from regions with optimal growing conditions, ensuring consistency and quality. The wheat undergoes rigorous testing, assessing protein levels, moisture content, and kernel hardness. Only batches that meet strict criteria are chosen, as these characteristics directly influence the pasta's final texture and taste. The selection of durum wheat is the foundation of the entire process, as its unique properties give the spaghetti its distinctive al dente quality. This meticulous selection ensures that every step following it, from milling to cooking, starts on the right foot, paving the way for a high-quality final product. The selected durum wheat is then processed into semolina, a coarse flour that forms the base of all pasta products. This transformation begins with cleaning the wheat to remove impurities such as stones, dust, and other foreign materials. The cleaned wheat is then ground in a milling process that separates the endosperm from the bran and germ. The endosperm, which is rich in proteins and gluten, is milled into semolina. This semolina is characterized by its coarse texture and yellowish color, which are indicative of its high quality. The milling process is finely tuned to produce semolina with the right granulation and consistency, as these factors are crucial for the dough-making process. Properly milled semolina ensures that the dough will have the right elasticity and strength, which are vital for producing pasta that cooks evenly and retains its shape. The quality of semolina also affects the color and taste of the final product, making this step a critical part of the spaghetti making process. Once the semolina is ready, it is mixed with water to create the dough. The ratio of water to semolina is carefully controlled to achieve the desired dough consistency, which is neither too wet nor too dry. This mixture is then kneaded to develop gluten, a protein that gives the dough its elasticity and strength. The gluten network formed during kneading is crucial for trapping air, which helps the pasta maintain its shape and texture during cooking. In some cases, eggs or other ingredients may be added to the dough to enhance flavor, color, or nutritional content, depending on the specific type of pasta being produced. After the ingredients are fully combined and the dough has reached the perfect consistency, it is allowed to rest. This resting period relaxes the gluten and makes the dough easier to work with during the shaping process. The preparation of the dough is a meticulous process that requires careful attention to detail, as it sets the stage for the quality of the final product. The next step in the process is shaping the dough into spaghetti. This is done using industrial extruders, which force the dough through specially designed dies or molds. These molds shape the dough into long, thin strands of spaghetti. The extrusion process must be carefully controlled to ensure the pasta has a uniform thickness and texture. The length of the spaghetti is then cut to standard sizes, and the strands are either laid out flat or hung on racks to dry, depending on the production line setup. Consistency in shape and size is crucial for ensuring the pasta cooks evenly and has the desired texture. Modern machinery allows for precise control over the shape and size of the pasta, but the basic principles remain rooted in traditional methods. This stage is a blend of art and science, as the design of the dies and the speed of extrusion can affect the pasta's final appearance and quality. The shaped pasta then moves on to the drying process, but not before a final inspection to ensure each strand meets strict quality standards. Drying is a critical phase in pasta production, as it significantly affects the final product's quality and shelf life. Freshly extruded pasta contains a high moisture content, which must be reduced to ensure the pasta can be stored for long periods without spoiling. The drying process involves placing the pasta in large drying chambers where temperature, humidity, and airflow are meticulously controlled. This process can vary in duration from several hours to a few days, depending on the thickness and type of pasta. Slow drying at low temperatures is generally preferred, as it helps preserve the pasta's color, flavor, and nutritional value. Rapid drying, while faster, can lead to uneven drying and result in brittle pasta that is prone to cracking. The goal is to achieve a specific moisture level that allows the pasta to be firm yet pliable. Proper drying not only ensures the pasta's longevity, but also preserves its quality, making it a vital part of the production process. The carefully controlled conditions during drying help prevent the growth of harmful microorganisms, ensuring the pasta is safe to eat. Quality control is a comprehensive process that occurs throughout the production of spaghetti, from the selection of raw materials to the final packaging. At every stage, samples are taken to test for various quality indicators, such as texture, color, and moisture content. The pasta is also cooked to assess its cooking performance, ensuring it maintains its shape and has the desired al dente texture. Any deviations from established standards can result in the batch being reprocessed or discarded. The aim is to ensure that every batch of pasta meets the high standards expected by consumers. Quality control checks also include microbiological tests to ensure the product is free from contaminants and safe for consumption. The consistency of the product is crucial as it builds consumer trust and brand loyalty. Quality control is not just about catching defects, it's about continuously improving the process and product to meet consumer expectations. This rigorous process helps maintain the brand's reputation and ensures that customers receive a high-quality, consistent product every time. Once the spaghetti has passed all quality control checks, it enters the packaging stage, a crucial part of the production process. This stage is vital for preserving the quality of the pasta by protecting it from environmental factors such as moisture, air, and contaminants, which can degrade its texture and flavor over time. The spaghetti is first portioned into standardized amounts, ensuring consistency in weight and serving size across all packages. This precision is essential for both consumer convenience and for meeting regulatory standards. The packaging materials used are carefully selected for their protective qualities. Typically, these materials include a combination of plastic films and paper-based options that provide a strong barrier against moisture and air, keeping the pasta fresh. The durability of the packaging also ensures that the spaghetti remains intact during handling and transportation, preventing breakage. Once the pasta is portioned, it is placed into these packages, which are then hermetically sealed to lock in freshness and extend shelf life. Labels are then applied to each package containing vital information for consumers. These labels include the product name, a detailed list of ingredients, nutritional facts, and cooking instructions. The inclusion of this information is not only a regulatory requirement, but also a means of guiding consumers in making informed choices. Additionally, the packaging design incorporates branding elements such as logos, color schemes, and taglines that help attract consumers and convey the product's quality and authenticity. The final step in the packaging process is palletization, where the sealed packages are organized and stacked on pallets. This arrangement is crucial for efficient storage and transportation, ensuring that the product can be easily and safely moved through the supply chain. The pallets are wrapped and secured to prevent shifting during transport, minimizing the risk of damage. This meticulous attention to packaging and shipping ensures that the spaghetti maintains its high quality from the factory to the consumer's kitchen. Proper packaging not only preserves the pasta's shelf life, but also plays a key role in the overall consumer experience, from purchase to preparation. And there you have it, the journey of spaghetti from durum wheat to your dinner table. This process combines traditional methods with modern technology to create a beloved staple enjoyed worldwide. If you want to explore more exciting stories, watch our next video.